Dave Barry has created many funny pieces. This one happens to be one of my favorites. A man is driving to work on a busy Monday morning with traffic all around him, so he turns on the radio. Let's see what happens in Garbage Scan by Dave Barry, presented in 2 parts. Monday morning. Bad traffic. Let's just turn on the radio here. See if we can get some good tunes. Crank it up. Maybe they'll play some early Stones. Yeah, maybe they just reached the end of 14 classic hits in a row, and we'll be right back after we send Bill Doberman to Congress. Because Bill Doberman agrees with us. Bill Doberman. It's a name we can trust. Bill Doberman. It's a name we can remember. Let's write it down. Bill just heard 19 uninterrupted classic hits, and now for this terrible traffic backup caused by the evil that did cometh down and dwelleth amongst them, and did causeth their eyeballs to ooze a new substance, and it was a greenish colour. But they did not fear, for they kneweth that the following is based on an 800-year lease and not including taxes on your actual insurance cost. We got your house and your kidney and your children and kidneys. $9,000. But Luder, Chevrolet, Opel, Isuzu, Ford, Renault, Jeep, Chrysler, Toyota, Studebaker, Tucker, Honda wants to give you for no good reason. Bill Doberman. He'll work for you. He'll fight for you. If anyone is rude to you, Bill Doberman will kill them. Bill Doberman enjoyed those 54 classic hits in a row, and now let's pause while insects did swarm upon them and did eat at their children, but they were not afraid, for they trusted in the listening audience. Hello. Hello. Go ahead. Steve. This is Steve. Go ahead. Am I on? Yes. Go ahead. Is this Steve? This is Bill Doberman, and I say convicted rapists should have no business serving on the Supreme Court. That's why, as your congressman, I'll make sure that a large quantity of nuclear waste has been spilled on the interstate, and police are trying to give you $17,000 in trade for anything. It doesn't even have to be a car. Bring us roadkill. We don't care. Bring us a cantaloupe-sized glob of earwax. Bring us... Part 2 coming up next.